Hello guys, how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing amazing. Welcome back again to my channel, Ezebeke TV. So guys, today's video I will carry you guys around to where we are going from Treviso to Venice. You know, we want to move around the Venice, so we are going to carry you guys around. Enjoy the video. Relax, get your popcorn because it's a very beautiful video. It's a very nice vlog, so keep watching. Ticket to go where we want to go now. We're in the train station now. See how outside is full. Here are my children and my hubby. Yeah. Look at the Italian train station. It's very lonely and beautiful. Look at how lonely it is and very beautiful. It's very beautiful. They are my kids. I don't want no money. Vary their tickets here. This is where you stop tickets. Look at inside the tunnel in the station, how empty it is.
Here, if you're around here, you may push on, you push it. Okay, cha. No, get on.
We move. Let's go, guys. Andiamo, guys. Let's go. You know, when we came here, it was very empty, but now people start coming. You can see few people here. That is it here for you. Look at how this train station looks so beautiful. It's not even only this side. Most of the places we went before this one, all of the station looks very clean, beautiful. So guys, I'm doing shakala here because it is very lonely and so beautiful. I just want to enjoy the atmosphere, the place. It looks so good and beautiful. I want to show you guys how it look like. So Italian people, most of them, they use cars, majority of them. So that's why you can't see people here. Like if you compare it with London train station. Our train is coming now. Yeah, our train is here. Let's go, guys. Even dog is coming up. People go down inside the train. How Italian, how they change everything about their train. Everything look beautiful. If you are inside the train, you feel like you are inside fright. Even some of the fright is not even beautiful like this. So clean, everything new. Even they have screens, like they have a lot of screens in front of you. You have like 2 screens in front of you. You'll be watching the screen, Hey, yes, what's up, guys? This is your ways. We are ways on the train, We are now heading to Venice. We came out from Treviso, heading to Venice. As I told you guys before, we are already close to the Venice now. You can see water everywhere. Venice is full of water everywhere is full of water everywhere. So we're heading to Venice and we're already there now. Yeah. Yeah, even if you carry heavy road, there is people there that can help you. Okay, guys, we are off from the train now, and the next video will be how the Venice look like, how we enjoyed it, and everything about Venice. And see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. See you.